And they're off. Western Dakota and Bob Watts from the outside. Bob Watts sprinting away for Dave Miller. Theory's Hero crossing over against the pylons. Fox Valley Seth splits horses, so they're 4 deep onto the opening turn. Up close from the rail is Noble Cruiser. Circus Dreamer on the inside races in 6. Tidewater Tomahawk settles 7th. In the blink of an eye is glued to his back racing in 8th, and at the back trailing the field is Dancing with Fire as they make their way toward the opening quarter. It's Bob Watts to the lead from Fox Valley Seth as Rain back in 2nd. Opening split in 27 and 4. Western Dakota parked and pressing on the outside for Pierce, and Western Dakota is up and after the lead and takes command on the back stretch. Theory's Hero is racing in 4th, and Fox Valley Seth was keen to go on, so Sears tips him to the outside. He is 3rd, just 2 lengths from the front. Further back in the field, gapping in 5th under Whip Tap urging is Noble Cruiser. Then 2 lengths from him is Circus Dreamer. Tidewater Tomahawk quite a ways from the lead right now as they reach the half in 56 and 2, and the blink of an eye is racing in 8th following him, and Circus Dreamer at the back is Dancing with Fire is at the back trailing the field as they head around the far turn, and Theory's Hero tips first over for Silverman up and after Fox Valley Seth. Western Dakota is now locked in behind the leader. Also trapped in is Bob Watts, who's 4th on the inside, then Noble Cruiser, and here comes Tidewater Tomahawk, and he is rolling for Gingras 3 wide on the outside as they reach 3/4 in 1:25 and 4 and come to the top of the stretch, and Tidewater Tomahawk with a big kick in the middle of the track is coming on to challenge for the lead. Theory's Hero is right there. In the blink of an eye, kicks off cover for Andy Miller on the outside. Western Dakota drives to the inside. A 16th away, it's Tidewater Tomahawk in the blink of an eye on the outside. Tidewater Tomahawk in the blink of an eye is coming in the blink of an eye to get it from Tidewater Tomahawk. Tight for 3rd, Theory's Hero or Western Dakota, 153 and 1. Photo sign up in race 11. Unofficial winner, number 7, In the Blink of an Eye. 2nd, number 6, Tidewater Tomahawk. 3rd, number 2, Theory's Hero. And 4th, number 9, Western Dakota. And that is a grand slam for the Orange Crush. Andy Miller, In the Blink of an Eye, taking the 2nd complex division. In the Blink of an Eye is an Illinois bred